Hello, I'm Sridhar. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the factors affecting the corrosion of a metal. Okay, this topic is belongs to the corrosion. Okay, in this, I'm going to explain about the factors affecting the corrosion. In previous classes, we have learned about the what is the metallurgy, how the metal is extracted from the ore and its characteristics. Okay, now in this video, at the end of this period, we will know about the what is the corrosion, some examples of the corrosion, and what factors influence the rate of corrosion. Okay, this we will know about this about in this end of the period. Let us discuss about some introduction on this topic. Corrosion is a one of the most common phenomena that we observe in our daily lives. You must have noticed that some objects made of iron are covered with some orange or reddish brown colored layer at some point in time. The formation of this layer is the result of chemical process is known as rusting, which is a form of corrosion. Okay, it is a corrosion is a most common phenomena we observe in our daily life. Okay, let us see one example of these kind of characteristics or phenomena. Okay, when we observe the iron metal in some area in a time that may have changed its color, it may have orange or reddish brown color. Okay, that can be happened by the chemical process. Okay, that is known as rusting. Okay, that is in the form of corrosion. Next, corrosion can be defined as the process through which refined metals are converted into more stable metal, such as metal oxides, metal sulfides, or metal hydroxides. Okay, in this case, we observe the refined metals are converted into more stable compounds such as metal oxides, metal sulfides, or metal hydroxides. Okay, because of only of corrosion of the particular metal. Okay, the rusting of iron involves in the formation of iron oxides via action of atmospheric moisture and oxygen. Okay, then it gets reddish brown color by the chemical reaction of these atmospheric moisture and oxygen with the iron. Okay, these are these we observe this metal, iron metal gets coated as reddish brown surface because of the reaction of this metal with the environment. Okay, environment contains moisture and oxygen. Just now we discussed. Okay, by that reaction of this metal with that oxygen and moisture, this gets reddish brown surface or orange color surface. Okay, this is called as rusting in the case of iron metals. Okay, next. Okay, do all metal corrode? Okay, metals placed higher in the reactivity series such as iron, zinc, etc. get corroded very easily, and the metals placed lower in the reactivity series like gold, platinum, palladium do not corrode because of these are having lower in the series of metals, okay, that can be observed in the electrochemical series. Okay, the explanation lies in the fact that the corrosion involves oxidation of the metals. As we go down the reactivity series, tendency to get the oxide is very low because of oxidation potential is very low. Interestingly, aluminium does not corrode unlike the other metals even though it is reactive. Okay, this is because of aluminium is covered by the layer of aluminium oxide already. Okay, this layer of aluminium oxide protects it from further corrosion. Okay, in the case of aluminium, okay, most of the metals which are placed above in electrochemical series are having the high reactivity in nature, then those can be involved in the corrosion process. Okay, the reactivity, the lower reactivities metals like gold, platinum, palladium do not corrode because these are having the less reactivity in nature. Okay, let us discuss what definition of the corrosion. What is the corrosion? A slow and gradual disintegration of a metal due to environment is called as corrosion. Okay, we can observe some points in this case of corrosion of a metal. The exposure of a surface to air, water, and caustic chemicals are responsible for the corrosion of the metal. Okay, these are the conditions. Okay, the exposure of surface to air, water, caustic chemicals means which are uh, the reactive nature of the chemicals are responsible for the metals for corrosion. Okay, since metals are good conductors, they undergo chemical changes on their surfaces. Okay, number three, the compound is formed during the corrosion is referred to as a corrosion product. The metal is referred to as corroded. Okay, the compound that is formed during the corrosion is referred to as corrosion product, and the metal is referred as corroded. The corrosion media are generally liquid, mostly aqueous solutions, but also solids and gases. Okay, just now we discussed about the exposure of the surface to air. Okay, this air mainly. Okay, mainly air and water and caustic chemicals. Okay, these may have in the form of solids or liquids or gas. Okay, these are the corrosion media, and the metals which are going to undergo the corrosion, that then the metal is called as corroded. Okay, the conditions means the compound that is formed during the corrosion is referred to as corrosion product, and then corrosion media is generally treated it as, okay, means which are going to be involved in the chemical reaction with the metals. Okay, those are the corrosion media that may be in the form of aqueous, solids, or also gaseous state. Okay, next one. Okay, examples for this corrosion of metals. First one is rusting of iron. Rusting of iron. Just now we have seen in the last diagram. And next one is tarnishing of silver and gold. Okay, tarnishing of silver. Okay, this one is the polished silver. After the reaction of H2S oxygen in the presence of atmosphere, this may be converted into another color that is called as tarnished silver. Okay, this one is polished silver, this one is a tarnished silver. Okay, in the case of gold, okay, this we observe the green color layers in this on the surface of gold. Okay, this is the tarnishing of this gold, means the corrosion of the gold. Okay, this is the corrosion product. Okay, here is the another layer is called here corrosion product. Okay, now let us discuss about the what are the factors influences the rate of the corrosion. Okay, just now we discussed already this one also. Okay, the exposure of the metals to air containing gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Okay, generally when we place these metals in the atmosphere with the presence of gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, that influences the rate of corrosion. And next one is second one, the exposure of metals to moisture, especially salt water. Okay, moisture it may contains salt water, okay, which increases the rate of corrosion. And next third one is the presence of impurities like salt, example sodium chloride. Okay, that is also called as impure metals or undergoes the corrosion process. Already we discussed in metallurgy topic. Okay, the impure metal is always acts as anode, means that involves in the oxidation process. Okay, simply the corrosion is also nothing but an oxidation process. Okay, next one is temperature effect. An increase that in temperature, the corrosion rate also increases in the metals. Next one is nature of first layer oxide formed. Okay, just now we discussed some oxides like aluminum oxide forms an insoluble protecting layer which can be further corrosion. Others like rust easily crumble and expose the rest of the metals. Okay, this aluminum oxide is protecting the further the metal inner metal corrosion. Protect the further inner metal corrosion. Okay, next one is presence of acid in the atmosphere. Acids can accelerates the process of corrosion of the metals. Okay, all okay, means if an atmosphere containing the acids like HCl, H2SO4, which is in little bit, okay, that also accelerates the rate of the corrosion of the metals. And next one is in the case of electrochemical series. Just now we discussed also this one. Okay, the rate of the corrosion is directly proportional to the reactivity of metal. Okay, the reactivity of metals decreases from top to bottom in the electrochemical series. Means okay, the copper, zinc like metals are involved in the corrosion, like silver, gold like metals are resistant to the corrosion due to the low reactivity. And next one is grain size, stress, and orientations of crystals of a metal influences the rate of corrosion. Okay, let us discuss once again these corrosion definition and its factors. Okay, the corrosion definition is a slow and gradual disintegration of a metal due to environment is called as corrosion. Okay, in examinations they may ask as question. Okay, some conditions are influences the rate of corrosion at the metal, that is exposure of a surface. to air, water, and caustic chemicals are responsible for the corrosion. Since metals are good conductors, they undergo the electrochemical changes into their surfaces. Okay. And next one is the compound that is formed during the corrosion is referred to as corrosion product, and the metal is referred as corroded. Okay, the corrosion media is generally liquid, but also solids and gases. Okay, examples, that is rusting of iron, tarnishing of silver and gold. Okay, let us once again we discuss the factors affecting the corrosions of a metal. Exposure of the metals to air containing carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. influences the rate of corrosion. Okay, exposure of the metals to air or moisture, especially salt water, increases the rate of corrosion. Okay, the presence of impurities in the metals are also influences the rate of corrosion. The impure metal undergoes corrosion first. The temperature, with increasing of temperature of a metal, then automatically increases the rate of the corrosion. Nature of corrosion products. Okay, if the corrosion product is insoluble in corroding medium, that acts as protective layer for the inner metal corrosion. Okay, the presence of acid in the atmosphere. Okay, in the case of acids present in the atmosphere, that influences the rate of corrosion. Okay, the rate of corrosion is directly proportional to the reactivity of metals. Okay, in the case of when we observe the electrochemical series, the metals which is placed above in electrochemical series increases the rate of the corrosion, and gradually decreases its corrosion capacity in electrochemical series of metals. The grain size, stress size, and orientation crystals of metals influences the rate of corrosion. These are the factors affecting the rate of the corrosion of metals. Okay, in this video we discuss the definition of the corrosion, factors influencing the rate of corrosion. Okay, let us see some quiz questions on this topic. Okay, corrosion of metals involves physical reactions, chemical reactions, both and none. Okay, this can be happened by the chemical reactions. Okay, that is oxidation reactions. Then answer is B. And next one is the following factors play vital role in chemical corrosion process: temperature, solute concentration, both, none. Okay, that is just now we discussed this one, the factors in affecting the rate of corrosion. That is the temperature also influence the rate of corrosion. The solute concentration. Okay, if the concentration of the solute is increases, then automatically increases the rate of corrosion. And next one is when platinum and cobalt are electrically connected, which one gets corroded? Platinum, cobalt, none, cannot be decided. Okay, this can be observed by the electrochemical series. In that case, cobalt is placed above in electrochemical series when compared to platinum. So cobalt is involved into the oxidation, acting as anode, and it involves in the oxidation and it gets the corroded. And next one is which of the following is an example of corrosion? Rusting of iron, tarnishing of silver, liquefaction of ammonia, rusting of iron and tarnishing of silver. The right answer is rusting of iron and tarnishing of silver, that is D. Thank you.